Hey guys, happy Friday. So it is a budget beauty buys day. So I'm about to go into TJ Maxx. I've been to this one time before, and last time I came here there was a lot of good stuff. It's a really nice, neat TJ Maxx. If you guys love budget beauty buys, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. It's the first link down below. Turn on your notification bell so you guys don't miss out when I do these videos. I do them every single week. Let's go inside and see what kind of makeup we can find.
So we have tons of the Too Faced Melted Chocolate and Metallic Candy Bar for $6. We have the Smashbox Brow Tech for $10. I saw these last time. They have the Anastasia Concealer for $6.99. They have a lot of these Stila Contour Duos for $9.99. They have the Cargo Wanderlust Palette for $10. And I also see they have this little NYX set in tonal nudes. This is $6.99. Bite set. I've seen this one before. Really cute set. This is $20. So you get 3 lipsticks, a little lip pencil, and a bag. They have the Bare Minerals Original Mineral Foundation. It's like a little sample set. This is $17. So you get Prime Time, a little brush, mineral veil, and then an original Bare Minerals foundation. They also have the Cargo Emerald City palette for $9.99. Keep seeing this one. I can't believe it's so cheap. They have tons of products from Bliss. This is their powder bronzer for $4.99. They also have their liquid liner for $2.99. They also have an Anastasia lip gloss in pastel pink for $7. And they have the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Intense Lipstick. This is $6.99. And they have another Makeup Forever lipstick in shade 50. This is also at $6.99. NYX gloss is here for $2.99. If we can focus. There we go. NYX glosses. Of the Marc Jacobs Marvelous Mousse for $10. This is in the shade Fawn. They have a Makeup Forever lipstick set. This is on clearance for $13. They have this Manuka Doctor Introduction Kit for $12. I feel like I've heard of this brand before, but it's a bee venom skincare kit. A bunch of sets from Strivectin. This one's $25. They also have this Skin Trio. This is $25 as well. More of the Glam Glow Palette Nuts here. These are $12.99. Keep seeing these, but I have not tried them yet. This Makeup Forever Easy Glide Liner set. This is $16.99. You get looks like 4 different little mini eye pencils. They also have the Makeup Forever Intense Lipstick set in Neutral. This is $16.99.
Alright guys, so I'm at Burlington Coat Factory right now. Hopefully they have some more stuff here this time, and hopefully the music isn't as loud as it was last time. So let's go inside and see if they have anything.
So we have this Paris Hilton highlighter kit for $5. Some e.l.f. lip balm for only $1.99. This is the shade Nude. Physicians Formula color correcting set. This is $7.99. They have a City Color cream contour stick set. And this retails for $7.99, so you get 3 different shades to contour and highlight within a sponge. They have this M&D Dirty Peach Bronzer Compact. I'm not really sure if this smells like peaches or anything. It doesn't say, but it's just like a really big bronzer. We have this really pretty packaging, this City Color Ombre Blush. This looks so pretty. This is $3.99. You can kind of see the ombre right there. Kind of reminds me of the IT Cosmetics ombre blushes. They have BB Mermaid Glow Highlighter for $5 and the BB Moon Glow Highlighter for $4. Tinted Moisturizer. Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. I actually have this one, and they have 2 of them in here, and this set is only $7. That's a really good value for 2 bronzers from Physicians. They have the little Happy Booster bronzers. This is $3.99 from Physicians. Oh, this is cool. They have a Rimmel set of 3 lippies. These are only $5.99, so these are like nudes. And then they have more like red type of shades. This LA Splash glitter eyeliner set. This is $5.99. They have this BH Cosmetics fan brush. This is $5.99. They have a Japanese Pixilated color finishing powder. Looks super interesting. And they have a primer and a liquid highlighter. This is $7.99. It's a really cool looking powder. They have a Laura Geller here. What is this? This is $30. I'm so curious to see what is inside this packaging. So it looks like you get 3 baked products and then 3 little baked shadows and a brush. This is the first time I've seen Laura Geller at Burlington. The same thing, it just has the packaging on it. This is the Best of Baked palette for face, eyes, and cheeks. So this is also $30, so pretty pricey, but for Laura Geller, I guess that's pretty good. They also have these little sets from China Glaze. This is the Glam Finale. This is $5.99, so you get like a glitter shade and a champagne color shade. They have this really cool lip vault. I don't know what brand this is. Bonita. This is $25. Some Juicy Couture brushes. These are $14.99. They have this e.l.f. set with 4 different eyeshadow palettes. This is $6.99. They have the Laura Geller Delectables eyeshadow palette in Smoky Neutrals. This is really nice. This is $34.99, so a little bit more pricey, but this is really cool to see Laura Geller here. The Beauty Treats All About Glitter palette. This is only $5.99. Okay, this is kind of crazy. I can't believe I found this. I found a pair of the Slayla lashes from Flutter Lashes for $3.99. That is crazy. I think these are like $20 lashes. I actually had a pair and I think I used them, but these are like super popular. I'm so shocked. And then I found this MAC eyeshadow in Brulee. This is a really popular brow bone color, and this is $10. I am so surprised that this is here. Also have a couple more shades. They have this shade right here. This is called Arena. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it's like a really nice, there we go, really nice crease color. I've never seen MAC here before, so this is quite exciting. I cannot find a good lighting angle right now, but I'm at Marshall's, and I thought that was a really good deal for that MAC shadow from Burlington. The reason I didn't get it was because they have the single refills from MAC for $6, which is cheaper, and I only do the refill pans in my MAC palette, so that's why I didn't get it. They also have Smashbox LA Lights Lip and Cheek Color for $10. Estee Edit Mattified Lipsticks. This is in Oh Maybe Later. This is on clearance for $10. The Too Faced Melted Lipsticks on clearance for $5.50. This is in the shade Villain. They have a Bite lipstick in the shade Believe. This is on clearance also for $5.50. They have a Shiseido Full Lash Mascara on clearance for $12. They have this really cute Kat Von D Mi Vida Loca on clearance for $10. Looks like it has 7 of her mini lipsticks and 1 full size. And these are all the shades you get inside. It says it's 14, but it's actually only $10. I've never seen this before. Let me know if you guys have seen it. The packaging is really pretty. Glam Glow Power Mud and the Flash Mud Brightening Treatments. They have a bunch of these here. This one's $45. This one is $40. Maybelline Great Lash. This is $4. They have Stila Aqua Glow Perfecting Bronzer. This is $5.99. They have the Eylure and Crazy Ray Ray Lashes. These are only $4. These look really pretty. I would definitely wear these. Have Bite Beauty Cashmere Lip Cream in Moscato. Have Opal and Juice for $6.99. The MAC Very Valuable Liquid Lip Color Set for $25. Lip pencil on clearance here for $8. This is the new shade. I'm at Target right now, and I just want to show you all of the Sonia Kashuk stuff, including the Satin Matte Foundation and my favorite eye makeup remover are all on clearance. Even the Eye on Neutral Matte Palette, all the brushes. So if you guys want to check it out, literally everything here. I don't know if they're getting rid of it, but All the brushes are like $3, $4, $6. Even the brush sets are on clearance. This one's so pretty.
So that's going to be it for today's video of budget beauty buys. I hope you guys liked today's finds. Let me know what you guys found at your stores. I would love to hear from you guys. Comment down below, and thank you guys as always for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not yet, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!